Good morning, not too early, from Soekarno-Hatta International Airport of Jakarta. We are at the train station here because today I'm going to show you the cheapest way to travel from the city to the airport or from the airport to the city like I'm doing today. Normally there is a train running right over there. It's the airport train. It's a people mover actually, which brings you from all the terminals to and from the train station and parking spaces. But that's not operating now, and you can take a bus. There's a free shuttle bus and a paid shuttle bus. Outside of that you'll find some online taxi drivers, mostly two-wheeled. Let's head to the train station. Here it says there's no airport trains, people mover trains. The train to the city is running, and because of the pandemic you have to wear a mask and you'll have to scan your app. And now it wants me to update, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take the train which is departing in I think 40 minutes. Let's have a look. Yeah, 10:49. I know where to go, so I'm going to skip the help desk and I'm going to purchase my ticket first. Really quiet here, but there we go. Ticket. Buy. Regular. There's a few stations on the way, as you can see. We're stopping at the last one. I'm going to take the first train, which is 70k. There are some cheaper changes, you can see. 30k. Okay, that's my number. I'm going to pay with, there's several payment options. Most likely you'll use a debit credit card. And then it's entering your card. Remove your card, take your ticket and your receipt, and that's it. I think now is a good time to have a short introduction to Indonesia's e-money solutions. They are used for commuter trains, but not for this specific airport train though. If you want to continue your trip from Manggarai station by commuter train or bus, you would need one of the many accepted, as these systems are all cashless. But it's not all that hard. You can pick up any e-money brand card that has one of the logos displayed on your screen right now, as they are all enabled to work on the same system. If you buy one at the airport and top it up with 50 or 100,000 rupiahs, some 3 to 6 euro, that will go a long way. Except if you also want to use it for payments on toll fees during your trip. Those are quite expensive. Relatively speaking. The route today runs from Jakarta's International Airport of Soekarno-Hatta and terminates at the future Grand Central Station of Manggarai in South Jakarta. This 53-kilometer route runs partially on shared track with commuter line trains and reaches a top speed of 70 kilometers an hour. The trip to Manggarai station takes about 46 minutes. The route today runs from Jakarta's International Airport of Soekarno-Hatta and terminates at the future Grand Central Station of Manggarai in South Jakarta. This 53-kilometer route runs partially on shared track with commuter line trains and reaches a top speed of 70 kilometers an hour. The trip to Manggarai station takes about 46 minutes. The train has pulled in and passengers have alighted. It's some 10 minutes before our departure, back to where the train came from. This trip will take us to Manggarai train station, which is the central train station of Jakarta and will be the main hub as well, as intercity trains will connect from there in the near future. And the airport train will end there as well. If you are at Manggarai station, you're also able to take all the commuter trains that are available, as well as bus options. And you'll see that later.
Your attention please. Passengers of comfortably on train number 847 leaving from Manggarai Station, Duri Station, BNI City Station and Manggarai Station. Jumlah total 8.
Let's hop inside. It's really empty, look at it. Hundreds of seats empty. I'm going to sit up front, although there is no view of the front, as there's a driver's cab. I would just sit here. Doesn't make sense. So I've taken this seat. Empty train, still empty. I don't expect many people to be here today. It takes about 46 minutes to reach Manggarai station. We are on our way to the first stop, which is Batu Ceker. It's a short stop before we continue to Duri station, where we will actually stop, turn around. The driver will walk by and take a train over from the other end. Then we make a short stop at BNI station, which is in the heart of the center, Sudirman Baru it's also called. And then it's just a little bit further to the final destination of Manggarai. Throw away your tickets when you are in the train. You will need to tap it again once you are at your final destination airport. You have to scan to open the gate, just to be sure. We have now stopped at Duri station. That's because our driver will size. Just step out. Now we should see him in a few seconds. There he goes. And the passenger is also moving seats. She knows the turn will revert here, and we'll be driving backwards in a few minutes time.
Pintu dibuka. Doors are open. Sudirman Baru.
Sudirman Baru, the last station before Manggarai. This station might be more convenient for you as it connects to the MRT, and right up above us is the main throughfare as well, with hotels, the CBD nearby. You can take the bus here as well. This is Manggarai station. Here is one more airport train waiting. From here you can take commuter trains. You will need prepaid cards for that. And here you can transit to commuter lines and take the west exit. This west exit is new. It will bring you to the bus station, and you can take it. You need your ticket again. And from here you can go outside to the bus station. if you need to go to the bus, you can follow that walkway all the way to the bus stop. If you want to be here, you can be picked up by a taxi or online service, whatever is available for you.